watch number 193.
Tornado watch!
Until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Kentucky: Bourbon, Boyle, Casey, Clark, Fayette, Garrett, Harrison, Jessamine, Lincoln, Madison.
Oh my God!
I can't take your number out of my guess anyway.
Attention! A tornado watch is in effect for Madison County. If a tornado warning gets issued, seek shelter in a basement. If you do not have a basement, seek shelter in an interior room on the first story of your house. We are under a freaky tornado watch.
Now for the official National Weather Service.
I told you it was rotating, didn't I? Oh my God. It's not a phone yet. It might not be, but it's starting to rotate some. I ain't going out in this tornado crap.
So now we're not going?
No.
Not going.
I do not want to get my ass stuck out there in the tornado.
So it is just what I was saying. Anytime you see thunderstorm, situation could change to whatever. Or just be gone.
So now we're staying home.
Yes.
I don't know why you got pieces and what this.
Because I get excited. I'm sorry.
You remind me of Reed. Except Reed can think straight too.
Yeah. And Reed says the F word no matter what.
Precipitation 70%. Highs in the mid-70s.
Get my computer stuff out of the bag.
Tiffany came by.
Saturday to Saturday night.